Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. So today we had a company that goes by the name of Kiviynay send me these Tesla jack stands to review. So what these things are their Tesla jack pads that actually go underneath the car, and you can lift your Tesla up to rotate your tires or to change a tire. So they sent me these and they wanted me to review them, so I'm going to go ahead and test them out and see how they do. So right now I'm just unboxing these, and we just want to get a general inspection on how these look. Now I already own some of these from another company, so I'll be able to compare the two. So first things first, we just opened up and we got a nice little note just thanking me for my purchase. We are committed to providing the best products and services, and they just went ahead and left an email in case you need help, and that's pretty good. Cool little thank you card, nice note. Alright, now on to the jack pads. Okay, so from the onset look, it looked pretty good. They feel great. And I'm touching this little rubber O-ring here because these are a big deal. If those are not thick enough, they will actually fall out when you press them into the car. Alright, so the hard rubber feels really good as well. So I will be testing these out and making sure that they don't fall out of the car, but the O-rings look pretty good. They definitely are the size needed to stay in. Overall feel looks great. You obviously get 4 of them, so you can lift up each tire if you would like. Usually you would just use 1 or 2, just depending on if you're going to be rotating your tires or just changing 1 tire. Okay, everything looks fantastic. Feels great. So what we're going to do is just go ahead on over to my friend's car and we'll get these installed. Alrighty, we are actually using my friend's car. We're going to use mine, but he actually needs to rotate his tires, so we're going to test out the pucks here. So we already got the caps off both tires. We're going to use our new pucks here, and then first thing you want to do is come under the car and locate the hole, which is right here, and you want to put the puck all the way up in the hole like so, and you want that puck to sit there just like it is there. So these are really good. Sometimes the puck will fall down and then you know that it doesn't have a good seal, so it's good. That puck looks really nice up in there. Like, okay, second puck. Second puck went in perfectly fine. Just like so, same thing, stays in very well. That's exactly what you want. Perfect. So we'll get the jacks in and we'll get the car lifted and see how the pucks do. Okay, now we got the jack underneath. Just gonna lift it up. Right where it needs to be. Okay. And how's that one look? You're good?
It's good. Good to go.
Okay. Both of you guys can do 25 pumps at the same time. Starting now. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
perfect.
There you go. Again.
Okay. 3. Go ahead and release. Perfect. All right. We'll take the puck out. Just like so.
Alright. Puck looks good.
Alright, and those are our Tesla jack pads from Kiviynay. Just want to say they feel completely good. The O-ring stayed in there perfectly fine. And like I said before, it will concave in. These are hard rubber and it's a very heavy car, and that's perfectly fine. They come back to shape and they can be used again and again and again. So I just want to let you guys know these things are available. I'll put the link in my description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.